Good morning, teacher. My name is Daniela Rivera. There is a living room in my apartment. There are two sofas in the room. There is a table between the sofa. One sofa is under the windows. There is a lamp behind the sofa. There are bookcases in the wall. There are pictures on the wall. There are flowers on the table. There are two bedrooms in my apartment. There is a white web in my bedroom. The bed is under the window. There is a desk next to the bed. There is a chair in front of the desk. There is a rug on the floor. Thank you.